Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we are diving into a significant document released by the European Commission's Medical Device Coordination Group in March 2024. The document, MDCG 2024/3, provides detailed guidance on the content of the Clinical Investigation Plan, or CIP, for medical device studies. For any manufacturer planning to conduct clinical investigations in the European Union, understanding this guidance is not just recommended, it is essential for a smooth regulatory review process. The primary purpose of MDCG 2024/3 is to harmonize the requirements for a CIP, blending the legal mandates of the EU's Medical Device Regulation, MDR, with the best practices outlined in the International Standard for Good Clinical Practice, ISO 1455/2020. While the guidance itself is not legally binding, it sets a clear expectation from competent authorities and ethics committees. A well-structured CIP following this framework demonstrates a commitment to subject safety and data integrity, preempting questions and potential delays during the application assessment. The guidance is comprehensive, covering 19 distinct sections. We can group the key requirements into a few critical areas. First is the detailed description of the investigational device and its benefit-risk profile. The plan must provide a thorough summary of the device, its intended purpose, and a robust justification for the anticipated benefits when weighed against all potential risks. This analysis must be situated within the context of the current state-of-the-art in clinical practice, proving the relevance of the investigation. Next, the guidance places a strong emphasis on the scientific validity of the investigation's design and objectives. The CIP must clearly state the study's objectives, hypotheses, and all endpoints, whether they relate to performance, safety, or clinical benefit. The rationale for the chosen study design, the patient population, sample size, and any comparators must be scientifically sound and meticulously documented. This ensures the data generated will be reliable and robust enough to support the manufacturer's claims. Furthermore, MDCG 2024/3 details the requirements for data management and statistical analysis. It calls for a description of the procedures that will guarantee the quality and confidentiality of the data. This includes everything from data recording and storage to the statistical methods that will be used for analysis. The plan must also outline procedures for handling modifications to the CIP, managing deviations, and ensuring device accountability throughout the study. Finally, it reinforces the critical importance of adverse event reporting, demanding clear protocols for recording, assessing, and reporting any such events in a timely manner. If you need help with global market access, please check out Pure Global. Thanks for listening and see you next time.